At Lawson Middle School, few people know the journey better than Kerry Miller.
I went to school for psychology, met my best friend there. She knew she wanted to be in education, and I actually knew I did not want to. And she said, use it as you go for your master's. And I started, I never left. Like, I love it.
You might be surprised how long she's been teaching, not just in HISD, but right here at Lawson.
I will say just over the years of administration, it was always a goal to get our students to performing. We are now in NES and things are changing.
Through all the changes, one thing stayed the same: her passion for teaching and her pride in the progress.
I love the fact that the kids understand what they are expected to do, meeting those expectations every day. That's always been a goal of mine, but now that it is widespread, there's no expectation of anything different. So they come in with the mindset that we're gonna work, we're gonna get exemplary or, advanced, if you will. We're gonna work every day, all day. And if we connect with the text, then we'll get through it, we'll be able to buy into it. I have a heart for this. This is my passion. I have plenty of people who have asked me through the years, won't you go into, no, my role is in the classroom.